In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a community in System.io. To begin, log into your System.io account and look at the top menu. From there, go to Assets, then select Communities. This is the section where you can create and manage your community spaces. If you are new to this area, take a moment to make sure you are in the correct section before moving on, because all the setup happens here. Once you are on the Communities page, go to the top right corner and click Create. This will open the setup for a brand new community. You will now need to fill in a few basic details to get everything started. First, enter your community name. Choose a name that clearly reflects the purpose of your community so it is easy for members to recognize. Next, enter the domain you want to use. After that, add the URL path. The URL path is the part of the web address that helps organize where your community will be located, so it is best to keep it short, simple, and easy to remember. After entering those details, click Save. This will create your new community and take you to the next stage of setup. At this point, your community has been created, but you still need to organize it so people can use it effectively. Now click on the title of your newly created community. This will open the community settings and content area, where you can begin structuring the space for your members. On the left sidebar, click Add Topic. Topics help organize discussions and content inside your community, so this is an important part of the setup process. When the topic creation window appears, enter a name for your topic. Make sure the name is clear and relevant to the kind of conversation or content you want that section to contain. Then choose an icon that fits the topic. Icons make your community easier to scan visually and can help members find the right section more quickly. Once you have added the topic name and selected an icon, click Save. Your topic will now be added to the community, and your basic community structure will be in place. That is the full process for creating a community in System.io. You go to the Community section, create the community, open it, and add your first topic. That covers everything you need to know.